Now we're going to do a stop motion. The app you need is iMotion Pro. So type in IM and it will come up just like this. It's very, very easy. Click New Movie. Yep, access to the camera roll. We want to set it on manual. That means you click the button and start. If the screen is like this, I'm going to take it off of the stand and I'm just going to cancel it. And we want it, see how the screen has gone horizontal now? Click Start. Now we have a rectangle box. Before it was a square box. That's just something to be aware of. It's good to see it. Now what you need if you're doing green screen so that your background is not seen and doesn't block the image underneath is green paper. So we're going to put that into the frame and try not to move it. Everything else is really easy. I just have a rocket that's going to fly by. But you can do this with papers, you can do this obviously with clay, all sorts of things. To begin with, we'll just work out, click Display, and the box that has the shadow, if you turn that on and then click Display again, it's going to show you where your first photo was. I'm not in a good spot right now because of the lights above me. I would actually normally do this outside. Just be aware of shadows and reflections. But for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and do it. So we go Capture. Just make sure that if you're using small objects, that the camera focuses. If it's having trouble focusing, try just putting your hand on it and letting it focus. Stop motion works better. See the ghost here? Stop motion works better the more photos you have. It's going to give you a smoother transition. Okay, so I don't waste your time. You get the idea, so I'm going to move it along a lot quicker. You'll see the difference between the ones that were closer together and the ones that were further apart. Let it focus before you take the photo. But it's easy. You just have to work out where you want it to go ahead of time. It depends what you're combining it with. Okay, it's that easy. Now we click Stop. Stop. So you press it twice. It shows what it looks like. That is really fast, so we're going to just turn it down, slide this switch till you get the speed that you want. That looks like a rocket that's gone out of control. It'll be much smoother if I had taken more photos, but I don't want to waste your time. You need to create. Once that is done, you've got the right speed, click Export, and it's very easy. Photo library. Done. Close. And that is your stop motion. Shall we have a look at it in here? Make sure it's there, so we go back and right to the end here. I was doing many other things. There we go. One thing to be aware of that you can see in my video, I can crop it, but my paper slid. I would recommend using a bigger paper.